love, no love. I'm gonna be giving this beautiful duck breast from Breadberry a real Schnitzel style special. We're gonna start by getting that skin off and then using some plastic to keep that surface nice and clean, hammer it out for a nice, even piece of protein. Now we're gonna season that up with some salt and of course, fresh cracked black pepper. Hey there, mayonnaise. Let's smear that on, treat it right, and then into a nice crunchy croat of your favorite Passover crumb. Time for that oil, medium heat, nice heavy pan. We're gonna slide that in, nice and gentle. Now that sizzle is you doing amazing. Keep it up with a quick flip. Look at that beautiful, beautiful golden brown color. Of course, while it's still hot, very important, season that up with salt, thyme. And let me tell you, we're gonna pair this with a beautiful blueberry compote, which got blueberries, sugar, red wine vinegar, thyme, salt, fresh cracked pepper. We're gonna boil it up nice and thick. Wow, this is not just fancy, it is fine and nice. Now, time to enjoy. Wow, oof, that is what I'm talking about.